Hi friends, so today I would like to start this little stove, Russian PT1 stove on isopropyl alcohol 91%, and I would like it to work on this fuel for today, and I would like to share this video so you can see how it works and does it make sense to try to run this type of stove on isopropanol or isopropyl isopropyl alcohol. So this one is Russian PT1, and it was kind of rip off from Swedish stove Optimus 8R. And okay, we'll try to start and see how it will work on isopropanol. So I already filled it up with the isopropanol, and I'll put a little bit of it on a cup, starting cup. And as you know, this type of stove needs a preheating or priming to make things working properly. Yeah, so it doesn't have any pump, and the things are working using the heat of the stove, and that's why the fuel, passing through, and it creates pressure. So nothing can be really broken here. You just need to do some maintenance, checking the O-rings and making sure that the valve is working fine. So we will give 30 seconds to 1 minute to preheat the stove, and then we'll open the valve and see how it will work. So I just decided to try to use this isopropanol as a fuel. My first impression was it's okay. Yeah, the only thing that the stove needs to be preheated very properly. So it's not enough heat, it will not start. But when it's preheated, it works perfectly and burns fine without any black smoke and everything. But preheating needs to be done very well, then it will work. So we're almost there. Let's see what we can do. So let me open it. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's already on. Yeah, we have done good preheating. Opening it more. Giving some more supply. See, that's it. It's working very well. Yeah, it's a daylight and you cannot really see properly. But yeah, heat is strong. Sound is there. Alright, working fine. So that's one of the fuel you can use for this type of stove. Not the best, but not the worst. Okay, let's reduce it. Let's reduce. Alright, now we get too much fuel. Now it's fine. Yeah, working fine. And yeah, I used to run like for 20 minutes, half an hour. That was completely okay. Yeah, so comparing to the heat created by the gasoline or cam fuel, this one will be less. But as a emergency fuel for this stove, or if you're doing some experiments, or even taking for camping trip, it should be completely fine. So the minus is it doesn't create too much heat, and the stove needs to be preheated very properly. And the pluses, it's a clean one. Yeah, it doesn't create much smoke, it doesn't smell, and in case if it gets spilled in your luggage or something, yeah, it just evaporates very fast without leaving any smell. So that's a good thing about using isopropanol for the fuel, for the liquid fuel camping stoves. Alright, so that's it, I guess, and see you next time. Alright, bye bye.